Hello, you're welcome. Let's solve this question here. X to the power 64 equals 4 to the power x equals. We want to know what the value of x is. So what we are going to do now is I'm going to be introducing ln, natural logarithm, to the both sides of the equation. I'm going to be having ln, okay, x to the power of 64 equals ln 4 to the power of x. So now from the law of logarithm, so this power will come down. You have 64 ln of x equals x ln of 4. So now from there, so the next thing we are going to do is, so I want to do a separable variable in the sense that I want to I want the value of x to be on one side and constant to be on one side. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to divide both sides by 64x. If I divide both sides by 64x, so I'm going to be saying that this we cancel this. I'm going to be having ln of x over x equals, then x we cancel x, I have ln of 4 over what? Over 64. So now from there, so what's the next thing we are going to do? So here you can see the left hand side, you have ln of x over x. X is a, s is a. So the argument here is x and we have the number x here, but the argument here is 4 and we have number 64 here. So therefore we are going to look at how we can make the argument and the denominator the same. So now what we are going to do is that, what if I try to multiply 4 to the to both numerator and denominator of, that is 4 divided by 4. Okay, 4 divided by 4. So it means that this 4 is coming, we're going to have ln of x over x. Okay, so now 4 is coming, I want to write it at the back of ln of 4, and we have 4 multiplying 64. So now we are going to have ln of x over x then equals. So now here, so you know that this is logarithm, so you can have something, whenever you have something like a, b, so this is going to be log b to the power of a. This a will come and become the power of b. So the same thing we are going to do, ln of 4 to the power of 4. This 4 will go up, right, then divided by 4 times 64, we're going to be having 256, right? So ln of x over x equals, now 4 to the power of 4, when 4 multiplies itself 4 times, so we're going to have ln of 256, then divide by 256. So can you see what I'm saying now? The argument here is 256, the argument, the number here is 256. So likewise, what we have a x and what we have x here. So now by comparison, okay, you can compare by comparison. So you see that x equals what? X equals 256. So we have the solution to be 256. But mind you, we have other solutions, okay, maybe that are not integer like this. So this x just belongs to the set of real numbers, or we said integers. Real numbers, or we said the same thing, this also belongs to set of what integers. But we are actually, looking at this integer because the number that non-integers can also be real numbers, right? Okay, it's real and at the same time is belong to the set of integers. Thank you so much for watching.